Manage My Profile is a very important part of the PropTx system. When you log into the TREB dashboard, you can go to the gear, click on Manage My Profile. You will sign in with your member number that was assigned to you. And then your password is going to be the first letter of your first name and your last name. Here you can set up your profile. If you need to change your cell phone number or email address, this is where you can do that. This is where you can choose your MLS system. And this is where you're going to add public open houses. You're going to click on Add an Open House, choose the listing, and then add the open house dates and times.